Sat down, my battery's already gonna die. So that's fun. Hey guys, it's Kate. So today is homecoming day. So if you don't know what homecoming is, then I don't know what to tell you because neither do I. So basically, I'm going to show you how I'm going to get ready for homecoming for my makeup. So if you want to see me, want to see what I look like, then keep on watching. So I already moisturized my skin. Now it is time to prime the skin. And this is a brand new primer, so I should take the seal off. I already know this is one of my favorite primers. I don't know why it is. I just use it. I guess it makes my skin look nice. So it's finally fall season. Well, no, I think it's still autumn. It's finally autumn season. It's officially hit. We're done with the hurricanes, I think. Starting with my No Problem primer. Looks like that. I'm just gonna put it on my cheeks. So you already know the process. I'm gonna go with my concealer and hide my acne scars. Today is homecoming day. My school does not have a football team or anything of that sort. The only thing we get is a soccer team, king, queen, princess, prince, and a dance. It's a formal dance, and it's always shitty, so it's gonna be great. Using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, shade 120, Classic Ivory. I'm running out of my Laura Mercier translucent powder. It's an amazing powder. It's just very expensive. So when I run out, I regret buying it until then I use it, and I'm like, this is amazing. But like, it's just like a lot of money just for something to set your foundation with. Like, I don't think it should be that expensive, but like, it's fine. Let her do what she wants to do. Let her make her coin, like, whatever. You're making money, whatever, and I'll probably buy it again. But like, I got this Neutrogena skin clearing mineral powder. Like, I don't know what it is. It's supposed to set foundation, I guess. I don't know. I just kind of got it just so I wouldn't waste my last little bits. Guys, guess what? So I have contacts now. They're really hard to put in my eyes. It's very scary, but like, I'm doing it. I feel like that's a really big accomplishment. Like, are you proud of me? Foundation down. Did you like that? I'm breaking out on this side of my face. Great. I feel like there's no foundation to make your pimples look flat. Like, that would be something amazing. Don't you agree? Like, a foundation that basically gives you new skin. Like, no bumps, no texture, no acne scars, nothing. It's just new skin. Damn. I would probably pay like a good amount of money for that. Like, that would be life changing. Let's see if I have any more powder left. Barely, because there's nothing there. Pretty much anytime I do my makeup, like, that's not like for school in the morning, or like I'm not like on a deadline, like, does that make sense? I don't know. Like, if I'm not rushing to do my makeup, I'll automatically flip on my camera and just kind of go through it. I just have to edit and upload. Which, by the way, editing is not easy at all. Like, you have to sit there and watch every second of your footage and make it entertaining and make it flow together and make it like, so people don't leave. And that's not easy. Like, right now, if I upload this raw footage, you'd already be bored and you'd leave. But like, that's not what I want. I'm trying to make it as entertaining as possible without getting off subject. And this isn't some comedy thing or whatever. I mean, you know, enjoy it. I don't know. It's not just some joke, like, whatever, like, I'm doing my makeup, like, whatever. I'm very serious about this, and I want to do this, and I want to teach you guys my tricks and stuff, since I have been self-taught, and I don't know. It's all about, like, others' techniques and little trick. We got that bacon thing going. Posting YouTube videos is kind of scary. Like, you never know who's gonna click on your video, and you're putting yourself out there. Like, people are seeing you of how you are. Like, I think I'm being me. Is this me? Hi, my name's Caitlin. Yeah, I'm me. It just takes a lot of motivation to just put yourself out there for anyone in the world to see and not know what they're gonna say or think about you. And I don't know, like, I'm gonna give my face a quick spritz with the Master Fix by Face Studio Wear Boosting Setting Spray by Maybelline. I'm doing that just to melt the powder into my skin and just really give that boost of hydration and skin-like appearance. My eyebrows are on. I'm gonna give my face one more spritz. That's what I wasn't supposed to do my eyebrows. It's okay. It's okay to go a little out of order. I'm going to be grabbing my favorite highlighter palette. This is the Morphe X Bretman collaboration made Babe in Paradise palette. I'm gonna go on to Get Laid and spritz that with my stuff and apply it like so. I'm applying the Urban Decay. I just realized that my window was open this whole time and you probably hear cars and it's probably really annoying. But, like, I'm sorry. Put on the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I kind of want to try. I always put down powder before I add more powder so it doesn't get muddy. But I think I want to try, which is probably not going to be a good idea. Just straight up going in there with it, like, sticky. This isn't that sticky. It's, like, kind of sticky. That's where I'm, like, get nervous. So you either be good or bad. I shouldn't be doing this for homecoming. Oh, well. You were one of those classic ones, traveling around the sun. You were one of those classic ones. I wish she knew you. You were one of those classic ones. Now I want to do more cooler tones. So I'm going to grab a brown. I don't like it. I feel like, okay, I 10 out of 10 recommend putting powder on your eyelids after priming before putting on eyeshadow. Because just telling by this, it's not a good idea. I feel like it looks very unblended. I just want glitter on my eyes now, so that's what I'm doing. So I just got the NYX, what is this? Whatever. NYX glitter primer. I'm gonna put that on my eye. I guess I do a half cut crease. That looks fun. That looks very fun.
It turns out my camera stopped recording, and that's all I have. Okay, so I'm gonna insert a clip of what it looks like, so yeah, homecoming wasn't that bad. I'm really mad that it just didn't record the rest of it. I had the lipstick Human Nature by Jeffree Star Cosmetics on my lips. I topped it off with some natural lashes. I used my glitter from NYX. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that song that was playing. I don't play music because I'm scared of being copyrighted. So that song was called Legend by 21 Pilots. It's from their new Trench album, and you should really check it out because it's one of their best albums and I love it. And I love 21 Pilots, so yeah. But I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Turn on my post notification bells because I don't know when I'm going to be uploading. It's just going to be off and on, and I don't want you guys to miss it. Comment down below anything you want, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye. You were one of those classic ones, traveling around the sun. You were one of those classic ones. I wish she knew you. You were one of those classic ones. Now everybody knows. You were one of those classic ones. Yeah. Alright. You're a legend in my own mind. My middle name.
and mix it.